Bunless Lamb Burger. Popeye, eat your heart out. What we've made here is pretty much a lamb cheeseburger with some spinach, rocket and mushroom rather than a bun. This is a very generous portion. So mix your lamb mince, feta cheese, spices and a wee bit of sour cream together. Then mix the rocket and the spinach with the rest of the sour cream, half of the parmesan and all the mozzarella cheese. Mix everything well. Only season with a little bit of salt. The cheese is salty, so you don't need to season things too much. Mix the mushrooms through there as well. Then spread everything out evenly in a shallow casserole dish. Put the mince mix on top, press it down and try to even it out as much as possible. Once I've got all the mince down, I dip my fingers in water and then spread it out a bit more. This prevents the mince from sticking to my hands. I then bake it for 5 minutes at 185 degrees, using that 5 minutes to chop my pecans up. Okay, now I put the rest of the cheese, feta, parmesan and pecans on top of the mince and return it to the oven for 5 minutes. Normally I'd use marinated feta, however I didn't know exactly how to count the carbs in the marinade, so I've used unmarinated feta in this instance. Okay. Fresh, hot, delicious from the oven. There's crunch from the pecans. The mince is still moist and tender. The spice has given it a lovely smell and flavour. Just have a look here at how moist that is. Okay. Eat it as is or serve on a bit more spinach. Incredibly easy to make. Very low carb. Enjoy.